Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane Heart, and I am back with a Brenda Walton die haul and project share. So let's go ahead and get into it. First, let me talk about the two items that I got that are not Brenda Walton. I had purchased most of these dies from Create for Less, and they had a clearance sale. So all of the ones that I bought from them are on clearance, as well as these two items. Well, this one wasn't. This is some sticky sheets. It's a sticky grid, and I've seen Tin Holtz and some other people using these, and Hedgehog Hollow was recommending to use them in your Misty. So basically, they are repositional sheets. They're not permanent. You can lay them down and put your paper on top of it. It will not move, so you can use it instead of magnets in your Misty, which is why I got it. I got the little mini ones because they were out of the larger sheets, and I thought it would be a good way to try it out. And then I did buy this that was also on clearance, and it's the Movers and Shapers dies. So these are the ones that you need the magnetic base for, and I have seen it various places, the magnetic base, or sometimes it's called a shuttle, in various places online on sale, but you can find that base. You do need it to cut these dies. I mean, there are ways that you can kind of, I don't know, finagle it, but it doesn't work really well. All right. So let's go into the Create for Less. I got these Brenda Walton Thinlits. These are the numbers and frames, and they, of course, remind me of the circus. So I love these. I wish I could find the alphabet. If there was an alphabet, I don't even know. I haven't seen it anywhere. And then I did buy the Celebrate. It's pretty big. So to me, this would be, on a layout, a scrapbook page, maybe even a mini album, like across 2 pages. You could do a Celebrate. Not exactly sure how else I would be able to use this, possibly a banner, maybe, but it was a really good price. So I did get that. And then I got this one right here, which is the Bigs. I did not need a crease pad. I use my Spellbinders machine, and no crease pad was needed. But this is called the Lotus Flower. Really good price. All the dies I got, I think were, I don't know how much they were, $35. They were a really good price. And then I got this Brenda Walton Dancers die. It's the Sizzlets large die. And I love the packaging on this one. It's really beautiful. So I did get that one. This die right here is almost impossible to find. I found this at a very random store. I think it was in, I don't even know, some kind of little tiny shop somewhere. And it had the best price because this is going for as much as $50, and I think I paid $24, including shipping, for it. And it's quite large, and I love it. And it goes really well with sort of the circus themed items. But let me show you the projects that I made. I made 2 projects. So not only was this a haul, but this is also a I was so inspired collab, which is sponsored by Call Me Crafty Al, and I will link to her channel and to the video. And basically, she does a collab once a month where you're inspired by a project, a theme, or color palette or whatever. And she's got some collab people, and you can do a VR and participate, which is what I'm doing. So the inspiration kind of piece to me is like a pocket card or a pocket tag style. I did more like a pocket card is kind of how I saw the inspiration. So this is my pocket card, and I did the lotus flower on the front, and I'm using paper from Echo Park just married for this project. And this is my card. It pulls out like this. And then you have these beautiful dancers. And then I just did this love in gold. Really simple. And then on the back, you can write your message or you can stamp something. I wasn't sure because it would make a pretty anniversary card as well. So that is my first one. Actually, I like it in the other way. If I planned better, I would have done my love the other way, and then I could have put it in that way. But anyway, that's that because I wanted to use a couple of the items from what I got. And then here is this card. Now, this is a 6x6 card because that elephant measures about 6 inches across. And I love it. So I used this paper called Circus Party from Cartabella. And so I cut out my elephant. I don't know if you can see the paper is this dotted yellow paper. And I stamped the It's Your Birthday. That stamp was from, I believe it was from a Lawn Fawn stamp set that I have because I kind of dug through trying to find the perfect one that would fit across. And then this eyelash, oddly enough, is from this. This is a Target Dollar Spot little eyeball thing that I had gotten around Valentine's Day or during the Valentine's Day stuff. And so I just love it. And then it pulls out. And so I haven't really finished the inside. I'm probably going to do like happy 4th birthday. I thought it'd be cute, you know, as a card for my nephew. He'll be 4. If not for that nephew, I'll just save it for the next nephew, who's 2, 1. I think he's 1. But anyway, I thought that was really cute, and I wanted a chance to use the numbers, which were these ones right here. Is that fabulous? So love, love, love it. I just love the look of it. So cute. So that is my haul and my VR for the It's So Inspired. I'm So Inspired collab. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Crying with a Heart.